He said his clutch hand better than mine. I gotta see it right here. See if his clutch hand is better than mine, y'all. We finna see if his clutch hand is better than mine. This is big boy action. Big boy action.
Consistent.
Throw it on the ground, I don't want it. No, good. Hey, y'all motherfuckers just didn't know. Look who finna ride something. A washed up motherfucker. He finna get on some old fucking Chris. Look at this shit right here, y'all. Now this is finna be some funny shit. Hey man, hey, run Chris. Run Chris. I need to get this shit on camera. 85 versus 450. Here we go, y'all. Oh, Chris. RWR said his clutch hand better than mine. He said his clutch hand better than mine. I gotta see it right here. See if his clutch hand is better than mine, y'all. We finna see if his clutch hand is better than mine. This is big boy action. Big boy action. Hey, his clutch hand ain't better than mine, is it, Kevin? Hey, Kevin, is it better than mine, Kevin? Ah! Ah! Hey, we're checking clutch hands. I'm over here checking clutch hands today. I'm checking clutch hands today. I'm a clutch hand cameraman. Hey, KJ. Hey, KJ. RWR said his clutch hand better than mine. What you think about that shit? Hey, here we go. Here we go. Let me see that clutch hand right. Uh-oh. To battle of the big boys. Battle of the big boys. Y'all see what he got on? Ain't working. He the only one you can ride with 3 fingers. Just call it Clutch Hand Tuesday. Here we go. Clutch Hand Tuesday. Uh-oh, get this 85 clutch hand. Look at this 85 clutch hand. Oh, look at that 85 clutch hand, boy. That 80, look at that. Uh-oh, got me another clutch hand. Clutch Hand Tuesday. Presented to you by Drive-By Mafia. Clutch Hand Tuesday. Look at him. Going against KJ. Clutch Hand Tuesday. Do we got enough? That's what we need to know. Little 85, new rider, Clutch Hand Tuesday. He on a 250 now. He hot. He hot, y'all. He hot. Got his ass kicked. He ain't got no clutch hand. This is Clutch Hand Tuesday. Clutch Hand Tuesday. Hey, Kevin. Hey, while I got time, tell the viewers, man, who clutch hand is better? Now, this is no, whoa, before you tell a lie.
Yours is better than Chris. That's what I'm telling you.
Is mine better than yours, Kevin?
Sometimes.
It's sometimes.
Just sometimes.
Only if I'm riding a Honda, y'all. Drive-by power. Drive-by power. You see that right there? Look, my man, Drive-by Mafia, Drive-by power. Drive-by power. Here we go. Here we go.